Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will tell you how to get started with STEPN app, or should I say the NFT project. And as you've known, if you've seen my video posted yesterday, I had explained there everything you need to know in a nutshell, why we decided to go into our next project with NFT, why we've chosen STEPN as our next project to push through, and obviously what we can do with the STEPN app. So basically, it's a move to earn project, and I'm really interested because this will push me to go out there and exercise, and at the same time earning. So basically, the first step that you need to do when you want to get involved in this project is to download the app. So if you're using iPhone, App Store, just search STEPN, and this is the logo that you need to download. Okay, if you're Android user, this is the app that you need to download. Okay, so once you downloaded the app, it will ask you to register, and the activation code you can get from their Discord server. That's why it's very important to also join their Discord server or on their Telegram. I will be posting again the link of my invitation code on their Discord server. You can just simply copy and paste their activation code over there. And also you need to activate when you register via email. So that's basically how you set it up in your mobile phone. So I have done it myself. In the next videos, I will show you the live downloading and putting it in my extra phone, because I have two phones, for you to have a step-by-step guide. But that's a quick view or summary of how you can get started. And then obviously you need to buy a sneaker or a shoe for you to earn tokens. It's all right if you don't have funds now to buy a shoe. You can simply still download the app, set up your wallet. You use the Solana token or SOL to buy shoes. I will be honest, it's really dear at the moment. I think the minimum will be around 9 Solana, and Solana at the moment is let's check in coin market cap. It's at 89.84 as of this shooting of this video. So if you buy the one of the floor prices or cheapest price at the moment at 10, so you will need to be ready to shell out 890 USD or USDT. In upcoming videos, we will show you, I will be making a video on how you can ROI with your sneaker. So that's one thing that you should watch out in our channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please follow me and subscribe to this channel, because we will be focusing slowly on introducing and how you can get into this really good project. So as you can see here, in order to know the type of sneaker you are, you need to know your fitness level. And as you can see here, the walker shoes, if you can do 1 to 6 kilometers per hour, then that's your shoe or sneaker that you need to buy. But if you can do more, between 4 to 10, then you can have a jogger. Or if you can do like 8 to 20, you can also do runner. And the trainer is between 1 to 20 kilometers per hour. Now, guys, this is very crucial. In one shoe, you only have 2 energy per day. And that 2 energy is equivalent to 10 minutes, meaning you can already maximize the earning potential once you consume that 10 minutes. And the energy replenish every 6 hours. So for 2 energy, it means 0.5 energy is being added to your shoe every 6 hours. Okay, so you have an option to do it every 5 minutes, walk or jog or train or run every 5 minutes, or just do the full, consume the 2 energy in 10 minutes in one go. So it's up to you. And the other tricky bit here is this rate here is per hour, right? But actually you will just do it in 10 minutes. So I hope to clear this out. So let's say, for example, you don't need to like in 10 minutes, you don't need to walk like 1 hour or 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer. This is the rate. Okay, this is the rate. So to test your speed, just use Strava or use this app, obviously, because I've used Map My Walk before to measure my rate. So what I do is, or if you don't have those apps, the simplest way you can do is put a timer in your phone for 10 minutes and then walk as fast as you can, or at least something comfortable, like something that you can walk without hurting yourself or without, having an accident. So just do the normal walking pace or jogging pace or running pace that you do in 10 minutes. And then measure the distance in kilometer. Let's say you've done, what's reasonable in 10 minutes? Say you've done 0.5 kilometer in 10 minutes. So what's 10 minutes in to convert in an hour? So 10 divided by 60 to convert it in an hour. So within 0.17 hours, you've done 0.5 kilometers. So 0.5 divided by 0.17. So that's your rate per hour. So you've done 2.9 kilometer per hour. So if you've done that, you're okay to buy a walking or walker sneaker. So that's the way you measure your speed or your distance per hour. Okay, so don't get confused with that, because some people, they thought, oh, I need to run or walk like 2 kilometers in 10 minutes. No, the app is only catered for the energy for 10 minutes. So that's why I really like this project, because each day I just need to do 10 minutes, right? Now, if I add more shoes, let's say the next bracket that, again, we will deal with this more on the upcoming videos. If you have 3 shoes, you can have 4 energy per day, which is what? Equivalent to 20 minutes per day, and it will replenish a quarter of that, which is what? 4 divided by 4 is 1. So it will replenish 1 energy every 6 hours. So yes, that's the way it works. And I hope it's clear how you calculate your speed. So you can, to make sure that you can select the proper shoes to buy. Okay, and again, as we mentioned yesterday, the rental system is still not available, but in the future, shoes owner can rent out their shoes if they cannot walk, or they just prefer someone else to do the movement for them. Okay, so on the app, you can simply click the plus sign within the shoes, and it will go, lead you to the marketplace where you can view the different shoes. Obviously, again, I will shoot a video on the actual selection of shoes that I'll be doing. I'll be purchasing my first shoes, I reckon, on Monday. So watch out for that actual selection of shoes. Obviously, there's a lot of factors that you need to consider when you are going to buy the shoes, in terms of efficiency, comfort, resilience. And again, we will create another video on how these different stats of the shoes will going to affect your earning capacity and leveling up the shoes. In a nutshell, in a summary, you need to level up the shoes to earn more tokens. And also you need to repair the shoes each time you use them, because it will automatically deduct some damage points from your tokens if you don't repair the shoes. So again, watch out for that different video where I'll be discussing one by one the different aspect of the, or stats of the shoes. So once you have the shoes, you're ready to go. Okay. And this is very important. Make sure when you're already outdoor and doing your movement, make sure to check the GPS icon on the upper right to make sure it's green. Because if it's low like this, you have no bar or you have one red bar on the upper right, you will not earn any tokens. And they also have anti-cheating mechanism if you're moonwalking. I think that's when you're just stagnant, keeping walking back and forth. So that one also won't allow you to earn tokens. Okay, so you want the optimal speed within that range. So for example, walker, it's between 1 to 6 kilometers. So if you had walked between possibly 5 to 6 kilometers, then you're using the optimal speed, which means you can have the optimal token, which is 4. And again, we will create a video on how much relatively per shoes within a given speed you will earn tokens. So again, that's another video that we will be going to show. And then you can also share your stats with your friends by your social media page if you like. So this is the one that I'm talking about. You can also mint shoes, meaning you can produce new shoes by minting 2 shoes together, and then you can swap to another token, to USD, and you can cash out if you like. And then you need to level up your sneaker to make it more efficient, and you can earn more in-game tokens. So again, we will discuss more on that video per video to make sure that we will explain thoroughly all of these features of the game. So again, those are the you can download the app from App Stores and Google Play. Okay, guys, I hope I had given you a summary or just a brief discussion on how you can get started with STEPN. And personally, I'm so excited as well, and still on the studying all the white paper, because in the white paper, they've discussed a lot. And to be honest with you, it's really time consuming, and you really need to spend time, sit down and understand all the stats. You can also go to their Discord or Telegram channel to talk with other participants, because obviously there's a lot of things here that we need to understand, because it's very crucial, guys, to select the proper shoes to buy so that I can maximize my movement and my earnings as well. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. If you hadn't subscribed, please join me as we explore and deep dive into this new project, our third project for our channel. And I'm really very bullish about this project, because it's very unique. It's more on fitness, so I think you never lose. Even it will come to a point that it will also go down in prices, but for me, you'll never lose in this app, because somehow each time you go out there, you're exercising and improving yourself physically. Until next time, guys, let's go and walk.